Open a Nedbank My Goals and Just Save account. Register on nedbankcup.co.za to stand a chance of winning money, 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 money. FANS Wethu TV, it's the Nedbank Cup, Mamelodi Sundowns 5, Sibanye still 2. I'm joined by Bestino.
The one and only?
Bestino.
Omonadi Steve?
Kimna.
Aye, Lena Gemonadi. Bilabi. Yeah, man, with today's game, I hear a lot of people analyze it too much.
Yeah.
I mean, it's one of those games, come on, get first round there, Nedbank Cup.
Yeah.
And Samgali
Sibanye still.
Yeah, one Golden Stars.
Yeah.
I mean, this is the only chance Lauren coach you we really to look at different formations.
True.
Because you can look at it, Coach Arona, Agrana, the players.
Yeah.
I mean, he's been playing a lot of away games. If I can remember, that December he played 2 games for Devene.
Yeah.
And then afterwards he had to get into KF.
True.
Away games.
Yes.
You know. And then last week we had to play ASFA.
Yeah.
Pretty intense games. You don't actually get the chance to the players.
True.
So today get perfect chance. He had to check the combination and stuff.
Yes.
Hence I was disappointed against the Williams. I thought Horagafa Jody February an opportunity to Horabele game, but nonetheless, you cannot play French players fail.
Yes, yes, true.
So he wanted experience in Mola Le Mola, and I'm happy Horobole Kagubatsini. I'm happy Horebo Barkimang, Diwani Otsini Komuraukwa. Mashiho Ogorele game time. Yes, it is a mistake, and Lily Wusa, because I think it was the third goal.
Yeah.
Moiloring he could have defended better, but nonetheless, Ragorele 5, Bagorele 2, and I'm happy Ragorele because you don't want to kill these teams. Just like the time of Samgilele power lines.
Yes.
Rabetile power lines 24-0.
Yeah.
And then afterwards, we never heard of power lines. Harizo, what happened to power lines? Azanga we could have power lines to whatever team or one. Yeah, one. So you don't want to kill teams, Momzanzi.
Yes.
And yeah, we're happy hori barfilo competition yana.
Yeah.
Yeah, for some reason na we let rate to Lorna Ray, what's a hala. But you have to remember get Sundowns.
Yeah.
Come on, get me loring in a star. One get me loring in a 2 goalkeepers loring the winner bargain goalkeeper of the season.
Yes.
Okay, Farawell Momzanzi fell.
Not local.
Not locally.
Yes.
So you gotta take time and then level lehore udila le bomang. Nonetheless, I'm disappointed ka our players because Razadi red cards in this stage.
Too much.
I think he received red card yabi 6 or yabi 7. So honale problem ya discipline mo teaming. But yeah, kinto iloramba by lo solver. I know her team is solver, because I mean saying they could have solved.
Yeah.
I see red cards okay, he had to take one for the team.
Yeah.
I mean today I wanna replay, but I think come on man. You just got back from a red card and then October red card So for some reason I think our team maybe some sort of disciplinary measures against our players.
Yeah.
Yeah, one.
That's true.
So again to Sharangi and hopefully next game Barefa a team ya PSL, so that because Kenya gore Kadoso and games loring honali team is a something that's our fats.
Yeah.
Dika Sundowns so azanga ya loser against team ya Fats before.
Never.
One. So you can team is our next door. So I don't even want to get into that. So let's have a Milford because I think even 4 seasons back, Saleba better get Baroka or one. So get game is one. So Makosi, I know let's make tomorrow and lay more. So the getting free agents. Let me careful like free agents.
16.
Nah, I don't want to get to Tabatamakus. Can I Matata Gagli one more Sundowns so?
Yes.
When I know again I'm Makus, but I want to tomorrow.
Yeah, but I want to.
But I want to tomorrow.
16.
Chiefs azanga ya wina 6-0 mo Nedbank. Azanga ya wina 6-0 Chiefs mo Nedbank. So mara go cool, ke nne mo ba botsoro wina 6-0.
What's up?
Ka nne ba botsoro wina 6-0. Proudly so. Ba botsoro wina 6-0. Ke mai logo rango Chiefs.
It doesn't matter.
So, anyway, another point you know, Tashang, I heard her coach Unya Kata the players. Yeah, Steve. Another point you know, Tashang, I heard her our coach Onyaga squad is a manageable squad. I know Kata the players of which I'm happy because you need a squad of about 30 players. You know, you cannot have a squad of over 30 players.
Yes.
But on the other hand, you need a team more than 30 players. Because remember, Sundowns some got a lot of competitions.
Yeah.
You know, Ramokev.
Yeah.
You know, some got Nedbank.
Yeah.
Relay Kalin Black Label finally.
Yes.
You know, Club World Cup.
What happened there?
Bad way get 30 games.
Yes.
So we play a lot of games. You cannot compare Sundowns with other teams more Mzanzi. Yeah, Pirates is coming, but still, I mean, like
they don't play as much as you.
No, they do. They do for now. But some every competition or
yes,
except for Club World Cup, which is after season AFL. So yeah, the player that's I don't know who gets a thing.
Yeah.
But I just hope everyone gets a chance before because like players who did in today, like both Iwani, they really needed game time. Like I said again,
yes,
only game time, especially now because Bargimang. Morena we injured, Muda we injured.
Yes.
We have a lot of players by Lorma to see the red card.
Yeah.
So you need backup players. So you cannot just have one player almo benching and then go stand down na anyone. But the another issue Lorgina we touch lodge. Get couple of the answers. Whoever I think because I thought this is a game Lauren Losha got I told 2 minutes and if you told 2 minutes. But I can check out starting lineup, I can check out bench hatting. Look at the standing, I don't think we're moon, I don't know if not letting so if ever he's going at my shop, but now Sundowns to be honest, Ramorata Lodge, you know welcome and he is a player as it is now. So we still wanna support him, we still gonna back him up. Whatever barking Matata analing or Matata team analing
yes
your naga lodge or Matata lodge analing your naga team. I hope body solver and then ask Maya because like we never got a chance lodge. We never got a chance to lodge and hopefully like after season and then after move after
why did you buy him in the first place?
Buzala
why did you buy Lodge in the first place?
Samatomo Lodge ball player.
Okay, no, let me take it back. Why did you buy George Maluleka in the first place?
We bought George Maluleka.
I will tell you, Ugut, it's the same reason that you buy. I will tell him, Ugut, it's the same reason they bought Lodge. But let him give him his reason.
Okay, we bought George Maluleka because we needed a central defensive midfielder. And if you can look at it, Ramorekile and then Osamikile, then we won the league. So what's your next question?
First 3 games he was on the bench.
It doesn't matter. Like
so we bought
Jaden Adams. Last game he played today. He got some minutes.
Let me tell you why you bought George Maluleka.
We bought Lodge because we bought Lodge because he's a playmaker. Temba Zwane also fits you know. So we need barging player a pusher moving forward, you know, because Lodge, I think he's 30, 31, if I'm not mistaken. He can still give you 3-4 years. So hence Rulani, the time ilo coach, Argilo Lodge. So like I said, we still need Lodge. I believe Yonana go iloringe Tembas one and Ahubis Lodge could have made a difference. But I'm happy number 1, more leaking. We made it to the quarters Kev. We made it to the finals Kaling, and now we made it to the next round here Nedbank. So I don't know people who are complaining because Sundowns is doing great. Yes, we're not playing our normal game, but we're doing great. I mean, what are you complaining about? If Timmy Engwe Ngebe Inale Barking portfolio Sundowns now, Ngebe Ile where Sundowns it is now, Ngeba Jabul. So can maybe ba jealous or
Kaizer Chiefs.
team is ready.
Kaizer Chiefs. Kaizer Chiefs.
There are 3 players I will tell you about. Tembinkosi Lodge, Jaden Adams, Reynas, who else?
With a
It's a 3. Yes.
Those are the players that Sundowns only bought just to destabilize the competition.
Oh.
If you remember the day that they bought Josh Maluleka, Kaizer Chiefs was number 1 on the league. And then who was the biggest assist at that time? It was Josh Maluleka for Kaizer Chiefs. Peter Musimani decided to go to, I don't even need this boy, but I'm just going to buy him just to disrupt Kaizer Chiefs from winning that league. And then Sundowns, that was the only time that they won. They won the league. No, never forget about Messi. Forget about Messi. Forget about Messi for life.
No, but tlamele ke ikwaleng, but say le lang.
Okay.
Pestino ke tseba sebedisa Nedbank.
No, before getting on Nedbank,
Sure.
I need to answer him.
Talk.
So, let's go George Maluleke hore mo rekile because are mo needy or whatever. Was he there? Na negotiator. Were you there? Like, are you working for any media company, Momzanzi?
I was there.
So get my him aure utlwang yeah, like
What if not that, man?
Remember. Okay, remember who was there in George Maluleka's position. These guys have just gotten George Lebes in the same position. These guys they had recently gotten Umkulise in that same position. They had Zwane in that same creative position. What were they going to use, Josh? If you remember the games, Josh Maluleka that played during that time, Kapito Musimani, we're not trying to go back, but if you remember the games that Josh Maluleka played during that time, Kapito Musimani, it was those easy games like these games about Sibanye, but they can still concede 2 goals.
Steve, most South Africa, I think we are about 59 million most South Africa, if I'm not mistaken.
Yes.
And half of those get ball playing boys, most South Africa. So if we take George Maluleke from Kaizer Chiefs, why Basaygo replace it? I mean, we just took Lodge from Pirates.
Yes.
And then Pirates is who's excelling today.
Yeah.
So how an excuse or reserve man we're trying to destabilize a team? How do you destabilize a team? My Lord team in over. You can sign 40 players or one. If Chiefs are sign a player, as a poso yarona. No, rumor ashi barabanya police, but they're not putting any figures on the table. Have a negotiate. January affair. Come February, if rega a police, by lo complain about Sundowns is taking everyone.
Yeah.
Why basarega police? Anyway, let's get to Nedbank Speedy.
Go register on Nedbankcup.co.za. Stand a chance to win some money in the next round.